Sure. Well, we started out many years ago as just a software provider, but now we actually provide software, services, solutions, managed services, BPO operations for various different clients. So over the last couple of years, we've expanded quite significantly into different areas. We actually integrate into specific areas. The first one is actually, you've got all the new payment rails. So effectively for financial institutions, they're looking for liquidity positions. Now with these new payment rails, you need to still have visibility across that, even though there's those new technologies. So one of the areas on our cash and liquidity management gives the financial institutions that global visibility of their currencies, including those new payment rails. The second area is, and actually a lot of uptake has been in Asia Pacific, digital wallets, ATM, credit card, reconciliations processes around that from a risk and control standpoint to help enhance customer service is another area that we're helping existing clients and new opportunities that are coming forward. It takes some time, but it's working in collaboration with our clients. We're not just successful because we think we've got the greatest technology and we can allegedly do it quicker, faster, cheaper, but you've got to actually be aligned to the financial institution, their goals, their customer service. So working very closely with them on the collaborative goals that they're trying to achieve is how we can then help, hopefully, collectively deliver against those goals. It depends on the organisation and their level of maturity and or interest and based upon their regulatory requirements. And that's why we provide a flexible model. There are clients that still want the traditional model where they're just buying some software to execute themselves. Other clients that we work heavily with want to move the software and the solutions into the cloud. That is becoming increasing more relevance for every financial institution. And then the third layer is that we can actually provide the additional assistance to provide managed services to be plugged in and actually perform some of those operations to help assist those clients. Yes, it's very busy. From a global point of view, you have to adapt. Each region, each location. So again, if we even look at Asia Pacific, whilst there is some alignment with like Singapore and Hong Kong, that is still different to mainland China, Japan, Australia. People forget about Australia, but it's still part of Asia Pacific. Then you take that to the Middle East, then you've got all the European regulations and then the US. So we have to adapt and modify, but also be very quick and responsive. And that's something that we work very hard and very proud to actually try and assist and do that in a timely manner. Well, where it's going in the future, I was having this discussion yesterday. I was saying that the actual physical credit card may actually disappear in 5 years' time. Even people using their smartphones for their digital payments in various locations. Look at India. A lot of the people in India now have smartphones and able to use those payment rails to actually do remittance and aspects like that. So we need to be as part of that process because the industry is going to change. If you go back 20 years ago, people were still drawing cash out of ATMs or there was branches will disappear. Everything's moving to a more digitized process. So we just want to be aligned and at the forefront of that. I think we're looking to finish up. We've got some more client meetings, so we're still busy up to the end of the event. It'll be good to follow up on those. We've had some very great conversations with the payment rails and existing people and also the ones that are providing blockchain, cryptocurrency aspects. So we've had multiple conversations in the various different areas, which has been very enjoyable. So we want to continue that and follow up on those engagements that we've had this week.